Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow followers to comment on your page's cover photo using the Facebook app on your PC, based on the newest update. This feature gives you more control over who interacts with your posts and helps build a stronger connection with your community. To get started, make sure you've logged into Facebook on your computer. Once you're on the main page, look toward the top and click on your profile photo. This will open a menu where you can access all of your pages. Choose the page you want to update. Now, once you're on your page, focus on your page's cover photo, the large banner image at the top of the profile. Click directly on the cover photo. This will expand it and show you more options underneath. Under the photo, you'll see a row of icons and options. Click on the three dots just below and slightly to the right of the cover photo. This will open a small menu with several options specific to the post. Look for the option that says "Who can comment on your post?" Click on it to move to the next step. You'll now see a list of options controlling who is allowed to comment on this post. To allow your established followers to join the conversation while keeping comments restricted to trusted audience members, select Established Followers. This helps keep your comment section positive and engaging, as only those with a history of following your page can participate. After you've made your selection, click Done to save your settings. That's it. Your page's cover photo is now ready to receive comments from your established followers. Making these changes gives you better control over your page's public interactions while maintaining an inviting space for your biggest supporters. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow for more updates and step-by-step tutorials on managing your Facebook page features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.